Hello friends, welcome to AllTricks. Today we are going to see how we can upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11. So let me quickly log into my Windows 10 system, which you can see right now on the screen. Okay, so I'm logged in. Now let me show you, this is actually a Windows 10 system. I'll be going to File Explorer, then Computer, right click and Properties. There you can see it's Windows 10 and I'm running it now. I have to upgrade this Windows 10 installation to a Windows 11 installation. For that, I'll insert a pen drive which has Windows 11 DVD and copy it on my desktop. So here we go. We have the pen drive and I'm just copying the file. Okay, you can see the file is copied now. Once the file is copied, we have to mount this ISO image. The option is already there in Windows 10. So once we have mounted it, click on the setup, then as administrator, then allow it. Setup will automatically launch within a second, and you can see the Windows logo and the setup progress bar. Now you can see a window will appear which says install Windows 11. Please click on next to continue. Then it will check for the update. Then it will start checking your system. Windows 11 requires TPM2 security module. So here, if you don't have, it will stop. I have in this system, it will proceed to this screen. I will accept it. Once I accept it, it will check for update. Okay, now update is done. It will be making your system ready to install. So you'll see this again a kind of progress in the process. Okay, once it's ready to install, you will see this window. From the link change what to keep, you can keep the files which you want, or you can continue with clicking on install. I will click on install and I will continue with the installation. So now this blue screen will appear and overall progress will start. It will reboot couple of times in the process. So now PC is going to restart and we will see a similar blue screen again with installation or updating of operating system in progress. Now you'll see Windows 11 boot logo will appear. Previously it was Windows 10 logo. Now update is being done to our system. So installation was done. Most likely the process of copying file and identifying what file to be updated, then this process will continue. The system has rebooted now. There will be couple of times where your screen will go blank. So that's just a driver update or some kind of background process happening. So don't be panicked. It's normal. It has booted again. You can see here. So it's 100% now. The system is up. We are here with the login screen and it seems similar to Windows 10, but no, it's not. Now we are at the password prompt. I will enter my old password and I am in. Now at this point, Windows 11 has its own some settings. So it will make your system ready for your use. So this is the first use for Windows 11. We will see some dialog box appearing where we have to accept the license agreement and all. So let's wait for that. Okay, so we are almost there. Here we go. So we have the privacy setting. Click on next, read the other part of the setting, and finally accept it to go to the next screen. So I'm doing that. Accept, and we are done. You can see I'm logged into my Windows 11 desktop. Here some icons are missing. It seems the cache is not loaded in, but it will load in a couple of minutes. And this is the complete start menu. It's at center and complete scroll bar, similar to 10, which was at the left hand side, but it's a center based menu. So you'll see the data in center. Now also we'll change the resolution of this to somewhere 1440 to 900. I will keep the changes. Now I'll open a file explorer to go to the properties. So let's do that quickly. Okay, here we go. Now we don't have a big logo saying Windows 11 like we saw in Windows 10, but yeah, you can see under Windows specification Windows 11 Pro, and it's a development edition. It's not even the preview or beta one, so it's still under development. As you know, Microsoft has announced like they will not release any other Windows in future, but still this is out there, so it can be new Windows which Microsoft will roll out, or just a Windows created by someone and rolled out, but there is no official comment from Microsoft on this, so we have to wait that. And you can see some new cool features are there, aligning of window and other things. I'll be talking separately on that. So this is what we have for upgradation from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Please do comment if you have any queries. If you like our channel, subscribe it, hit the bell icon to get notification of latest video which we post. Please do like, share and subscribe. This will encourage us to create more videos. Thank you.